95% of your outreach is being ignored, and it's not your offer, it's your targeting. Think about it. Your message is solid, your SaaS tool is actually solving real problems, your pricing is competitive, but you're still getting ghosted harder than a bad Tinder date. The brutal truth, you're using the same generic Apollo lists and copy-paste templates as literally everyone else in your space. My name is Olivier, and over the last 18 months, I've helped SaaS founders go from booking 10 meetings a quarter to 10 meetings a month, consistently using our programmatic go-to-market blueprints. We're talking companies like Robhouse, WeNight, RoboVision, etc., who went from sending 1,000 emails to get a few meetings or barely any to sending 500 emails and booking 10 qualified calls. But here's what nobody talks about. There are exactly 4 reasons your outreach is failing, and I'm about to show you how to fix each one in the next few minutes. The first problem is bad data equals dead outreach. You know what's worse than getting ignored? It's sending emails to people who left their company 6 months ago. I was working with a client last month, let's call them TechFlow, and they were proud of their 10,000 qualified leads from a major data provider that they had just bought. Guess what? When we ran a campaign on it, 23% of those emails bounced. 23%. I mean, using Clay, you will get real-time enrichment from over 50 data sources. So instead of buying stale lists, let's use Clay to pull in fresh data from LinkedIn, enrich them with company websites, add new sources, hiring pages, even job posts, or whatever else of data point that might be relevant for your solution, so that you can reach out to them when it's relevant, right? So when someone gets promoted to, let's say, VP of sales at a growing SaaS company, we will already know about it before they have even updated their LinkedIn. That's the kind of timing that gets responses. Problem 2 is there's no logic behind your personalization. Here's a message I got last week. Hey Olivier, I saw your company Outbound Catalyst and thought our AI solution could help you scale faster. Dude, we literally are an outbound solution. You just pitched a sales agency to help with sales. Like, most people think personalization means, hey, first name, I saw you work at company as job title. That's not personalization. That's mail merge from 1997, right? That's B2C kind of outbound. How do we fix this? Well, we can apply conditional logic to dynamically change our messaging based on real data signals. For example, if someone just raised Series A funding, they get the rapid scaling message. If they're hiring aggressively, they'll get optimized onboarding angle. If they just launched a new product, they get the go-to-market approach. One message template becomes 15 different messages that actually make sense. Third problem, spray and pray sequences. Stop me if this sounds familiar. You load 500 people into your sequence, you blast them all with the same 5 email cadence, not even applying any spin tags or whatsoever, and you pray someone responds. I hate to break it to you, but that's not outreach, that's spam with better formatting. I had a client doing exactly this, 2,000 emails sent, 1 total reply. I mean, 1. So the solution, let's filter for actual intent signals before we reach out to people. Did they visit our pricing page? We'll message them with the ROI and implementation. Did they download your competitor comparison guide? Hit them with the differentiation points or connect them with a customer who went through the same? Are they actively hiring for roles that your tool impacts? Focus on solving those team pain points, because at the end of the day, why message everyone when you can message the right ones? And then problem 4, static lists that die. Traditional prospecting is like fishing with yesterday's bait in a pond that already dried up. You build a list, you upload it, you run your sequence, and 3 weeks later, you're back to square one, building another list. Clay builds living lead lists that update automatically with triggers that you can run periodically or based on certain events. New companies can be added weekly. People who get promoted into your target roles flow in automatically. Companies that hit your revenue threshold appear in your pipeline without you touching anything. So your prospecting machine runs while you sleep. Fixing your targeting is step 1. But if you really want to fill your pipeline consistently, you need a complete prospecting system that connects all those pieces. And honestly, Most people try to build this stuff themselves and waste months figuring out integrations and workflows. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm offering free 15-minute outreach audits where I'll review your current sequences, data sources, and targeting strategy. Don't worry, no pitch, no pressure, just me pointing out exactly what's killing your response rates. Click the link in the description to grab a time that works for you. And if you're not quite ready for that yet, I'm dropping a next video next week, showing you the exact play workflow that generated 2.3 million in pipeline for a Series B SaaS company. So hit the subscribe button so you don't miss it, and I'll see you in the next one.